Hello and welcome to Mint Talk India. Today we are doing workbook solutions for class 4th EVS chapter 7 from the window. Question number 1. Select the best option. Number 1. Madgaon is in which state? None of these because Madgaon is in the state of Goa. Number 2. Which of the following vehicles run on diesel or petrol? Auto rickshaw, car, trucks, all of these. Number 3. During lunch, Omana ate bananas and idli vada. Number 4. While the train was moving, it suddenly became dark because the train passed through a tunnel. Number 5. At the end of the train journey, Omana's family will go to Kottayam. Question 2. Write true or false. Number 1. To cross the river, cars and trains used separate bridges. True. Number 2. Some tunnels go completely through mountains. True. Number 3. People in Udupi wear the same type of clothes as in Ahmedabad. False. Number 4. There was much smoke and noise at the railway crossing. It is true. Number 5. The fields of Goa are brown and dry. No, it is false. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Some people were going under the bars of the level crossing. Number 2. The sound of the train's movement changed when they crossed a river on a bridge. Number 3. On the journey from Goa to Kerala, the train passes over 2000 bridges and through 92 tunnels. Number 4. On reaching Kottayam, Omana would have spent 2 days on the train. Number 5. Omana climbed on the upper berth to read comics. Match the names of station or places in column A with the time or activity in column B. Number 1. Kottayam. They reached late at night. Number 2. Madgaon. They reached early morning. Number 3. Udupi. They had their lunch. Number 4. Kozhikode. It reached around 6 o'clock in the evening. Number 5. Match the picture in column A with their description in column B. Number 1 picture shows fields in Goa. Number 2 picture shows level crossing. Number 3 picture shows road bridge. Number 4 shows a tunnel. And number 5 shows railway bridge. Very short answer type question. Question number 1. Why did Omana exchange addresses with Sunil's family? So that they can plan and meet in Ahmedabad. Number 2. At what time did Omana's family start packing up? At around 9:30 p.m. they started to pack up. Number 3. Why did the lights come on when the train went through the long tunnel? Because it was very dark when the train entered the tunnel, so the lights were turned on. Number 4. Why did the train wheels make a rattling sound when it was crossing the river? Because there was no ground under the train tracks on the bridge. The train was making a rattling sound. Short answer type questions. Question 1. Describe the scenery as it appeared to Omana after the train left Udupi. She saw paddy field with rows of coconut tree. She saw people wearing cream-colored dhotis and sarees. She saw different type villages. Question 2. Explain why there was much smoke and noise at the railway crossing. People are always in a hurry and do not like to wait. They do not switch off the engines of their vehicle. That is why there was smoke and noise. Number 3 question. Which vehicle that Omana saw at the railway crossing use neither diesel nor petrol? Then how do they move? Omana saw cycles, tongas and bullock carts. Cycles move by the paddling by our legs. Tonga moves with the help of a horse and bullock cart moves with the help of a bullock. Think, find and write. Omana's train passed through the states given in the table below. Complete the table from the information given in this and the previous chapter. Number 1. Gujarat. Language spoken, special food, clothes and sceneries. In Gujarat, language spoken is Gujarati. Special food item is dhokla. Clothes they wear ghagra, kurta and pajama. Scenery outside is brown and dry. In Maharashtra, language spoken is Marathi. Special food is vada pav. Clothes Nawadi sari and scenery outside is green. In Goa, people speak Konkani language. They eat fish fry. They wear lungis and sarees and there is green fields. Karnataka, the language spoken is Kannada. They eat ragi, idli, dosa. Clothes they wear are dhotis and sarees and the soil is red in color there. In Kerala, people speak Malayalam. They eat idli vada. They wear cream colored dhotis and saris, and there is paddy field with rows of coconut tree all over. That was the end of our chapter. Hope you like it. We will meet very soon with the next chapter and we will continue with what all fun Omana did in her grandmother's home. Thanks for watching and do like, share, subscribe our channel Mint Talk India for more upcoming videos.